Popcorns are loved by all children. It is crispy snack and today I am going to show you a different method of making popcorns. It is semolina and oregano popcorn. To start with, we will put in a bowl 100 grams of semolina, 100 ml milk, half cup boiled corn, 2 teaspoons oregano, salt to taste, half teaspoon chili flakes and mix well and cover it and keep it for 15 minutes. Put the prepared mixture spoon by spoon in oil and fry until golden brown and crispy. Now remove them. Like this, we will fry all popcorns. Sprinkle chaat masala over it. Crispy and tasty semolina and oregano popcorns are ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe, and if you have not already subscribed, please don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this site for you to click and see. Take very good care of yourself and your family. Stay healthy, happy and fit. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.